Good morning, guys. Monday, got a job here. I'm repairing a step. So I'll show you guys that right now. Okay, here it is. This is all crumbling apart, so they want me to fix it up. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. I'll just do periodic shots throughout the day. Cool. Okay, guys, so here's where we're at. I removed all the facing that was here. I took out this piece of wood and yeah, just kind of cleared out all the crap. Still a little bit in there, but my plan is just to put a few screws, like maybe 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 screws, and put some new facing here and put the piece of wood back and just fill that all in with mortar. I don't want to go any further back because this is all solid, but it's really not that bad. So yeah, I'm just gonna put some new facing on it, like kind of like these, but across, and just put that back in. It shouldn't take me that long. We'll take a look. Well, I say that. It always takes longer than I think. All right, guys, I'm back. I got my materials and just clean this up a little bit more. I had to go further back here. I had to chop this off. But the idea is basically to just put these new ones in and then put that piece of wood on top again. And yeah, we'll see. These are a little short. Might have to go chop another one and put it right in there, but we'll see. Maybe not. Got to fill in all these areas of mortar. Yeah. Interesting construction. Very old. Just about to start putting the mortar in. I put these screws in. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm trying to tie in the new mortar to the old stuff. You know, this is a little sobre la marcha. It's a little difficult, but anyway, this is pretty darn solid already. We're just trying to give it a little bit of, trying to clean it up a little bit. So it should be fine. So I'm gonna wet this all down and then I'll start throwing the mortar in. And we'll put the bricks on. We'll see how it goes. Okay, guys, sorry I haven't really been recording. Not a lot of space here. I'm in a really thin stairwell. Barcelona has a lot of old buildings, and I'm in one of them right now. But yeah, it turned out pretty good. It's already pretty hard. I think I'm gonna stick some more in there and some more in here. But yeah, it's a repair, guys. It's not, you know, I'm not a stairmaster. That's a machine. Yeah, so this is already stuck in. I stuck more mortar in the area here and then stuck some there. I'll come back. I'm back here on Thursday for another job. I'm gonna fill this with masilla to thin it out or to make it flat. And yeah, but I think I'm just gonna fill a little bit more in here and there, and that's it. So yeah, I think it looks okay. The customer already passed by and she said she's super happy with it. So yeah, it looks like she just wanted it to be better support. She's an older lady, so I don't think she really cares that it's like perfect, but she said it looks great. And if she's happy, I'm happy. So we're gonna leave it there. All right, guys, thanks. It's 3 days later, and this is how the stair is, and it's super solid. I'm super happy with it. So is she. Super, super solid. Very good. I'm very happy with it. Yeah, so it looks good. I'll probably try and clean this up a little bit, but and put some masilla over here. But yeah, totally good. Very happy about this. Alrighty, guys, it's Thursday, and yeah, I got a job here. I'm replacing a few tiles that are broken and wobbly, And then also I'm going to be fixing a shower later that has a few problems as well with the tiles. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Looks like that one's coming out too. What does she got? I accidentally broke that one. So now that one's got to come out too. Is it okay? Okay, this one was extremely easy to come out. Okay. This one is coming out. Let's see what we got here. These are wobbly, she said. So I'm probably talking so loud. All right, let's cut these up. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so that one's out. I can actually reuse this. These two I can reuse actually. So that's good to know. And this one, she said is wobbly, but it's not really. All right, I mean, this one is not wobbly, so I think I'm just going to refill it with grout because there's nothing wrong with it. So why fix it if there's nothing wrong with it? I mean, it's not moving. She said she put a W for wobbly. It's not wobbly at all. All right, we got one more here. This one has a chip. This one has a chip, so she wants me to take it out. All right, so this is it hot? No, it's okay. This is actually made for grout. Grout abrasive. And I've done this job like 4 or 5 times now, taking out grout and refilling it. And this works pretty well. These aren't cheap though. This is 25 euros for this. And they have another one that's made of diamonds, and that one's 50. But I went with this because this is what I had last time. Yeah, I just don't want to spend 50 bucks. But yeah, it's good. So this one's not really breaking. So what I like to do is I actually like to use my hammer drill, and it shouldn't break any of the other tiles now because I've taken the grout out, more or less. I've taken the majority of it out. So it should technically just break the tile. We'll find out. We'll find out very shortly. Starting to crack a little bit. Surprised it's not breaking. There we go. There's a nice crack. All right, so now we should be able to just hammer this. If I just break it here and there, that should come out now. Yeah. There we go. Alrighty. So yeah, I mean, this one didn't crack. The one surrounding it didn't crack. So that's exactly what we wanted. All right, guys, bring you back in a bit. Just trying to do this really carefully, guys. I don't want to crack another tile. Create more work for myself. I don't want to do that. I really need a vacuum. It's the next tool I need to buy. But I don't have, I need a third hand as well to carry the vacuum to all my jobs. Which I don't have. I don't have 3 hands. Oh man, this is a little worrisome here. All right, guys, bring you back in a little bit. Okay, guys, so the tiles are up, and I cleared out the old thin set, the majority of it. There is still some in there, but I think if I just lay a little bit more over top of it, it should be okay. I'll give you guys a look. All right, I got a little Tetris going on. Yeah, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to wet that, and then I'm going to lay the thin set in, and then we'll lay the tiles, and then we'll let that sit for. I got another job to do here. We'll let that sit for a few hours, and then we'll come back in a little bit, and we'll put a little bit of grout. All right, see ya. Okay, guys, I'm back, and these two are already done. I got to clean up, obviously. It's pretty dusty in here. But I just put down the mortar, or the cemento cola, it's called in Spanish. And now I'm just going to put the tiles on there and, yeah, let it go. Okay, we're back. And, yeah, the tiles have been put in. Okay. So, repair mostly done. I need to fill it with some grout still. But, yeah, I'm not sure I'll show you guys that. But yeah, I'm moving on to the next project, which is in the shower. This is actually, it's actually like moving. So I got to figure out a way to fix that up. So that's my next job. I think this one needs to come out too. Yeah. That feels okay. Oh, this is quite bad. I don't know what I'm going to do here. Quite bad. To be honest, it's really bad. But she said she doesn't have the money. So we're just going to do the best we can here. I'm not sure. Wow. Okay, let me think. Okay, guys, this isn't ideal, but this is all wet. The customer, she's retired. She doesn't have the money to redo her whole bathroom. She already had this quoted to redo the shower for €1,000, and she doesn't have that type of money. So the original plan was to take one tile off, but took one off and the rest had to go. This is pretty good. This is pretty good. Everything up here seems pretty good. This seems good. This seems good too. This really should be replaced, but that wasn't in the original plan. So what I'm going to do is we can rename the channel Chapuza William, Besayeni. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to run a big old line of silicone through here. And I have this foam, spray foam, and it actually says that it stands up to humidity. So we're going to try that for now. And I'm redoing all of these seams. I'm taking all this out and putting new mortar between them. So I want to do that for today, and I'm going to give her the recommendation that probably what we should do in the future is take out the whole bottom here and replace it with new drywall, some new waterproof stuff. And yeah, so this will be a temporary fix for now because we can't leave her without a shower. So yeah, I mean, honestly, it's not the best solution. I totally get it, but it's what I can do today. And yeah, like I said, she's retired, and she doesn't have the money to do anything else. So yeah, this is actually what I'm going to use here. Okay, and it actually says on here that it can stand up to humidity. So we'll see how it goes. Just for reference, this is how these were stuck on before. I mean, that's pretty bad. I don't know if it was repaired before. I mean, that's pretty bad how they did it. So my way might actually be better. Okay, we got our thick layer of silicone there. And I'm going to be using this. I'm just going to stick it on there. See how it goes. I think it's going to be better than how it was, to be honest. I just showed you. It looks like they stuck these on with like silicone or glue before. I mean, I think this is going to be better. But we'll see. We'll check on that in a couple minutes. See how it goes. Okay, guys, we're back. I've taken out all the mortero between the joints, or the best I could. To be honest, all the stuff up here was in really good shape. It didn't even need to come out, but I told her I would, so I did it. Everything at the bottom was really bad, but I just want to show you guys like how much better this is. I mean, like that was moving when I got here. So it's super solid, which is awesome. I wasn't expecting that. So this is all going to get filled in with new mortero, and then we'll put silicone definitely in the corner here and all the way around the bottom. So, I mean, honestly, I think it's a pretty decent repair considering the circumstances. So, pretty happy about it. Okay, guys, almost finished. It has been reapplied, the mortar, okay? And now I'm just letting it dry. I'm gonna run the silicone down there and up there. Okay, and out here, I did a little mixture and I mixed this with a little bit of black paint and made the grout gray to match it a little better. But anyway, so these are finished. These are basically dry at this point. You can step on those without a problem. So yeah, so almost finished, almost. Okay guys, this is how it actually finished after I put the silicone in. Like I said before, I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out considering the circumstances. And here's the tiles. They're fine. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video this week. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Share it as well if you know anybody that you think would enjoy it. Yeah, but that's it for this week. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the sea. Qué bonito.